Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming basic security. Set a strong PIN, pattern, or password. Once done, open the Play Store and go to Settings, then Authentication to begin linking biometrics to purchases. Make sure your fingerprint or face templates already exist in system settings, otherwise enroll one now. You do this because the Play Store relies on Android's Secure Key Store and the device lock as a fallback. It prevents unauthorized purchases and ties authentication to hardware-protected credentials. Once authenticated, choose Biometric Verification for purchases in Play Store settings and select your preferred prompt behavior. You will be asked to confirm your primary lock, PIN/pattern/password, so the Play Store can register a trusted fallback. Make sure to enable prompts for in-app transactions and adjust the timeout window so it reprompts appropriately. Shorter timeouts increase security, longer ones reduce friction. This configuration tells the Play Store when to call the system Biometric API and when to require the fallback. You finalize setup by performing a small test purchase or redeeming a code to confirm the biometric prompt appears and completes the transaction. If the flow fails, make sure to clear the Play Store cache, reboot, and relink biometrics in system settings because stale app data can break authentication. Also verify Play Store and Android updates are installed and test the sensor elsewhere. If hardware faults persist, contact device support. One key troubleshooting tip: re-enroll biometric templates before deeper resets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.